Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from Revolut to your bank, how to do a bank transfer. So first of all, what you need to do when you go to your Revolut account, you go here and click on transfer right here. When you click on this middle button transfer, you will be redirected to this page where you can see all your transactions, recent transactions, and you can search for the name of your friend or so on. But if you want to transfer it to your own bank account, you just basically click on new right here. If you haven't ever transferred that, then you're gonna choose a bank recipient. So this is how you can transfer money to any bank account. And if you want to do this to your own bank account, so definitely choose the bank recipient. Then you're gonna choose individual or business. So if you are sending the money to the individual account of yours, you choose the country of recipient's bank, currency, and you basically write down sort code, account number, first and middle names, last name, email, and you add recipient, and after that you will transfer the money. Simple as that. So yeah guys, that's basically it. All you have to do is click on transfer and click on add new and choose the way you want to do this. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.